Hey everybody, I'm Nick Rabar, and today we're making Maple Cholula Chicken Wings. Let's go! For this recipe, we're gonna need Cholula sauce, maple syrup, apple cider vinegar, a little melted butter, some barbecue dry rub, and of course, chicken wings. So the first thing we're gonna do is season these wings with a little bit of a barbecue dry rub. Basic dry rub, a little bit of kosher salt, black pepper, brown sugar, oregano, paprika, cayenne pepper, a little dry mustard, coriander, and a bunch of other great spices. We're gonna toss that and make sure everything is equally coated, and we're gonna let it sit for about 5-10 minutes. After the wings sit, we're gonna go right to the grill. We're gonna let them go for about 30 minutes at 350 degrees. So these wings look absolutely gorgeous. Now remember, what's gonna happen is they're gonna char up. You have a gorgeous little dry rub on there, and you're gonna see some of that. That's good, that's welcome char. You're using sugar in the dry rub, so you don't want them to get too dark, because that's gonna caramelize quick. So keep an eye on them and don't be afraid to flip them from time to time. I love charcoal grilling. It's my go-to, and if you look at those are beautifully charred chicken wings. Let's make some sauce. Step one is bring the heat. We're gonna go in with some of that Cholula sauce, about a cup. Next step is to bring the sweet. We're gonna go in with the maple syrup, about a half cup. 2 parts heat to 1 part sweet. We've got a little bit of apple cider vinegar, a little bit of melted butter, and we have a little bit of that barbecue dry rub going right in. Now, let's whisk. Now it's time for these little chickies to go for a swim. Gonna give them a gentle toss just to make sure they're all perfectly coated. And oh, wow, those look good. Now we're simply just gonna go to plate. No fuss, no messing around. And these are just better than I could have ever imagined. Those, my friends, are Maple Cholula Chicken Wings. That's a wrap from here, guys. Thanks for watching as always. I'm Nick Rabar, and until we meet again, keep on cooking.